Today we have the Volvo XC60. This vehicle has done just over 81,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, my vehicle, web browser and navigation. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. We also have hill descent control and parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.